So easy recipe: chicken with buckwheat in one pan. Sprinkle the chicken with seasoning and grease with vegetable oil. Fry until golden brown. In the same pan, fry the chopped onion and carrot. Add buckwheat to the fried vegetables. Mix and salt. Spread the chicken on top. Dilute cubes of broth or liquid broth in water. You can add horseradish or mustard to the broth. Pour the broth. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil, 20 minutes. Turn off and keep the lid closed for another 15 minutes, if there is still moisture left. Subscribe and like.